Now the next one we are going to play Jolly Old Saints Nicholas. But here the position of your finger is going to be changed because I told you middle C, right? Before the third set of two black keys, we have middle C, which is in keyboard, the third C of the keyboard. First C, second C, third C is the middle. From the middle, we play right hand. Before the middle, we play left hand. Sometimes we play both the hands here and here, across here, like that. But now this jolly old Saint Nicholas gonna be played before the middle C, both the hands before the middle C. The left hand by these two fingers on second set of two black keys, and right hand by these three fingers on the second set of three black keys. So before the middle C. Again, this is a 4/4, means every bar will have four counts with a quarter note and half note ending with whole note. Quarter note is one count, half note is two count, whole note is four counts. Right, now let's start reading 4/4. Right hand, it starts with the right hand. 4 means this finger, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thumb is always 1. You know that. I repeat it again to remind you. Now, 4, 4, 4, then 3, 3, 3, 4. Long press, 3. Again, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4. 4 counts sustaining or held. Same left repeats 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Then here, second bar of second line says like this. 3, 3 is by left hand and the half note 2 is by right hand. So 3, 3, 2, go like that. That is the small twist you have to observe. 3, 3, 2. Then the next all are right hand. 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, landing at 3. It's the part 1. Part 2 will be different. Part 1 it lands on the right hand third finger, 3, like that. And part 2 we will see afterward. Let us start playing the part 1 of Jolly Old Saint Nicholas. First right hand, first line, second line, first bar is left hand, second bar left and right. Then the third and fourth bar of second lines all are right hand. Let's start with the metronome speed of 70 again. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop. Now we are going to part 2 of Jolly Old Saint Nicholas. Part 2 is going to be played after the middle C. Part 1 we played before the middle C. Part 2 is after the middle C on this two, third set of two black keys and third set of three black keys. By this two finger, this three finger. Always I said two black keys by these two fingers, three black keys by these three fingers. Here the first line starts by again right hand, entire line lands with 4 count on fourth finger, and second same left hand and second line left hand, second bar of second line is left and right 2. The second line, third bar same, but landing at second finger. That you have to understand. Like that. Let's start. Metronome speed 70. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3. I request you to play the lyrics also of all the songs. Okay? It sounds, very nice to play. For example, like this. Christmas Eve is coming. For example, like this. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you do like this. Whisper what you bring to me, and we will dance. Thank you.